Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
right, Helly!
Yeah!
I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop. You know what he said?
Peter, let's go! You're on! Wow, he's got some serious work ahead of him if he wants to get back in this race.
For my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen!
Yes! Yes!
Same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic, man.
You'll be okay now.
Are you all so tense? It's voice activated. Did I forget to mention that it can only be disarmed?
Then you can win this race with your eyes shut. Now get back out there.
Oye, Wingo, otro
hospital! Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
I am not angry!
You can use that anger to push through.
I said I'm not!
For Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win. Francesco always wins. It's boring.
You missed a spot? There, right there. In the hood, right there.
You about to feel the wrath of the Lower Belleville County Unified School.
Here we go, everyone! La la la, la la.
That ain't a real road trip. We gotta drive it ourselves. Take our time.
But-
wander the.
An imposter. He looks old and broken down.
Hey!
With flabby tires.
I do not!
Use that!
It's
Trent, what the heck's the matter with you?
act civilized. We got. I'm in a tornado in a trailer park.
Nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Exercise offer.
So, you ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose?
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite! Actually, this is my good side here. tontonan, side by side. Oh, it's lovely to pull the great express. Pistón chiquis. Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner...
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his...
Oh, the pleasure is all ours, Lightning. You and your team bring excellence and profession.
How did you siphoned your gas while you were passed out? Ka-chow.
Ow, ow, ow!
Strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you... Persistent little bugger for a 2-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right.
Perché devo fare sta cosa?
Guida,